Oh, this is heavy. Here's the design. As you can see, Bobby clip point chopper of sorts. He wanted me to, there we go. He wanted me to make it a smaller version, so it's a trial run basically. I can't wait to get this done. Thanks for following me today, and let's get into it. Okay, here we go. Safety gear. I'm going to strip it and then we'll go from there. Let's do it! Very good. Okay, you can see that coming on nicely. Okay, so the basic rough basic bevels are ground now. Woo! See there, it's coming along. Okay, so I've got the basic bevel on, evened out with the bench grinder, looking way better. Okay, so now onto handles. Look at that. It's getting there. Okay, sanding time. Better profile. I know the handles are uneven, but I'm working on that. Turn her over. All right. Look at that. That bevel is getting so much cleaner. Yeah. Sheath time!
It needs to be tidied up later, but hey, we got something.
Tricky. actually works. Oh, look at that crack. That is broken. Start again. Come on, really? 2 of them? Yes. I know it's the wrong timber, but I just need something to house it. Something, okay? Something. Number 2. All right, I'm just gonna call it a day. On second thought, I could do something productive and epoxy the handle. Let's kick into it. So the handle has been epoxied on, but first off, the sheath. All right. Good. I mean, 2 straps, done. Nice and tight. So tight, but there's the belt loop going in. Double straps. On that side too, leg strap. Underneath. All tight to my leg. So, there it goes. It works! Winning! Oh, I can't wait! I haven't used this before. It's boiled linseed oil. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I've seen results online and apparently they're very good. So, let's give it a crack. Marvelous. Great color. Okay, so the sheath is drying just behind me. So the edge is more or less done. It's only a mock-up design, so it doesn't have to be razor sharp, and it's a carcass chopper, so it's more the weight and force behind it, the mass of the blade itself, that's going to do most of the chopping. The edge, it's workable. It's nice and smooth. I've done that. Now, I've got to finish off the handle, stain it, and that'll be it. Let's crack into it. Last part, here we go. I'm so happy about it. Yeah!